Now, I got a YouTube comment a few weeks ago and someone said, Kiva, you are sharing the same thing over and over again. We need new Amazon products. So I have been testing away. Today, we are sharing some new Amazon home finds that you are going to be obsessed with, because I know I am. Now, when I say I've done some shopping, I have done some shopping. I've done so many projects. I've just been racking up the Amazon products, and let's just get started with my favorite one. The first Amazon product that you're going to be obsessed with is the feather bed. Do you ever go to a luxurious hotel, or do you ever dream about going to a luxurious hotel like the Four Seasons or Bellagio, and you're like, this bed is it. It is so comfy, it is so fluffy, you want to die, but you have no idea how you did this. Well, the feather bed is the solution, and I know this because I went on the Four Seasons website and I was like, what are they using as a mattress topper? The answer is a feather bed, but theirs are upwards of $400 for every size. I found this one on Amazon and it is so fluffy, I am gonna die. It is so freaking fluffy. When you first get it, honestly, it's flat. It's giving flat, it's giving flat Tiana. But when you give it some time to inflate, it is giving. It is so nice and plush. We got a new mattress. I told you guys this because my back was hurting. We got the hardest mattress money can buy. I basically bought expensive plywood to sleep on. So this gave me the added a little bit of plush that I wanted, but not too much. I love it. I don't feel like it sucks in my sweat, and it gives me that elevated experience. I'm telling you, every time I've stayed in a Four Seasons or a Soho House or Bellagio or Intercontinental, this is exactly how that bed has felt. And I was able to achieve the look at home and feel at home using this feather bed. Next, we have these gold outlet covers. So it comes in a set of 4 or 5, I can't quite remember, and I use them in my office or my guest room, which you haven't seen yet because I'm doing a whole makeover for my new course that's dropping soon. It's called Design It in a Day. Click the link down below to sign up for my email list so that you can learn all about it, because I'm imparting literally every interior styling tip I've ever had onto you so that you can start your interior styling career, or you can really truly design your room in one day without having to watch 50 million YouTube videos and without all of the stress and all that good stuff. But anyway, I got those covers to redo this room and I love them. They look so sophisticated. The gold is not gaudy at all. It's not giving cheaper sin. It's not giving Dollar Tree. It's giving very luxurious and elevated. Of course, it comes with the screws. They're so easy to put on, and I do love the way they look. So if you're looking to elevate your outlet covers, which most of us are, these are a really great option. I am so tired of buying plastic soap dispensers. I'm like, why is it $28 for something that has soap in it? Just make it make sense. I was tired of it. So I picked up the set of 2 beige soap dispensers, and they are ceramic. So for my modern organic girlies, my warm minimalism girlies, or guys, that doesn't sound quite as good. For the people who love the earthy elements, these are perfect. So you get the set of 2. They hold so much soap. I put like I put half a bottle of Dawn dish soap in there for reference, and this is great. It has a great pump on it. There is no buildup. I don't have any problem with that. It doesn't leak, and it gives you that nice luxe look without you having to just stare at the Dawn bottle. I'm sorry, but they just don't make the Dawn bottles in a way that looks cute, or Ajax, or whatever it is you like to use. So I have been really happy with these. Now, I may or may not have spoken about this crystal chandelier yet, but I am obsessed. So I bought this 5-tiered crystal chandelier from Amazon for our bedroom makeover, which I also haven't shared any more of. I've just been doing products and not sharing them. Shame on me. Anyway, I love the chandelier. It has 490 crystals on it, and it is beautiful. So it comes in 4 different sizes, and the price obviously depends on the size, but the price of the biggest one is still cheaper than like the smallest one from Restoration Hardware, and it looks identical. You don't have any exposed nail heads. It looks so luxurious, and everyone always thinks I have some like really sophisticated like wallpaper or paint technique on my wall, but it really is just like the diffraction or refraction of light from the crystals. It is absolutely beautiful. It is dimmable. It comes in silver, nickel, gold, brown, and black. I have the brown and I love it. And it was very easy for Steve to install. It really didn't take him that long. The crystals took me a long time, and we did a little bit of that together. But it is glorious. This is the best like designer dupe I've ever really found. I absolutely am obsessed with it. And the instructions were also very straightforward, which is very rare when you're kind of buying a chandelier like on Amazon. So super happy with this one. And so many of you picked it up, and it looks so good in your spaces too. I'm a bedding lover. You guys know this because I love sleep. I love to be in bed. I love having a comfy bed. And I have been on the hunt for perfect sheets forever because I used to be obsessed with the Wamsutta sheets from Bed Bath & Beyond, but Bed Bath & Beyond does not exist anymore, and Wamsutta they don't really sell them anywhere at this point in time, and that's devastating to me because they made the best sheets on the planet. And my second favorite sheets were always the Calvin Klein sheets, which you can get from Macy's, but they are so very expensive and I just could not justify the purchase. But I found these Amazon Basic sheets about a year ago, but I wanted to test them before I really truly sat down and shared them with you. and they're fantastic. If you like Calvin Klein underwear, it's like having underwear all over your body. So that's great. Very breathable, very comfy, very stretchy. I find them to be extremely oversized, so you're not fighting your spouse for like the sheet. I don't know, that's like one of the biggest fights we have in our home over who is getting like more sheet, because it has to be perfectly even or else. I love them. They come in so many different colors. I have the black and the white. I love the white. The white also doesn't stain very easily. So if you put like a sock in the laundry, it's not gonna end up red with as much ease as some other white things, which I've noticed because I make that mistake very often. And I quite like them. They're just so breathable. They're so soft, and they never really ever pill. I've had one pair of sheets, like I said, for a year now, and I haven't had any issues. And we're phasing out all of our other sheets that aren't really Wamsutta, to be honest. And we're replacing them with these ones, and they are honestly to die for. I have never been more impressed with an Amazon Basics brand before. This next Amazon home find was something I was kind of disappointed by when I got it, because I didn't read the information before I bought it, but it's this paper mache bowl. So it's a cute little bowl, but I thought it was going to be one of those like big paper mache bowls that were trending big time in like 2020 and 2021, but this one is teeny tiny. It's teeny tiny, it doesn't hold anything. It can't even fit 2 lemons. It can fit like 3 cloves, not 3 bulbs of garlic. That's all it can fit. It's a cute little decorative accent if you're styling a nightstand or a bookshelf and you just need to like fill it in with stuff. Would I recommend buying this? Like if you need a bowl to hold things? No, but I think it is very cute. Honestly, I bought it. It wasn't one that I expected. And then it was like, it costs like $2 to return it. And I was like, it was only like $13 to begin with. I'm just gonna keep it. That's ridiculous to me. But it is cute if you're looking for something to style. You guys know I already have too many things to style with. So it wasn't something that I needed, but it is cute. It's very well made, and I have been impressed with the quality here. Now, the reign of my prior laundry hamper is over. It's over because we overfilled it with too much laundry. We did it too many times. I shoved like too many duvets in there, too many blankets in there, and it broke. So I actually decided to pick up a new one from Amazon, and I really love this one so far. So this laundry sorter separates your laundry into 3 different, sections. So you can have your blacks, your whites, and then your other colored clothes. And it's really great. It was super easy to put together. I put it together myself. You can actually condense it really easily, so you can fold it and shove it behind your dresser or your bed if you're tired of it being an eyesore. Honestly, this has changed the laundry game for us because we don't have to do the sorting process when it's time to do the laundry. Who wants to do laundry anyway? So this just makes it so much swifter for Babe when she does it. I was saying it like I do laundry. I don't do laundry. I do the kitchen stuff. That's how we break down chores in this house. I do not do laundry, but she says that it really helps and she really likes it. And it's super easy to wheel around. Even if you overfill it, you don't feel like the wobbliness of the wheels. It is just very easy to maneuver, and it fits way more laundry than you think. You kind of look at it and you're like, it can't really fit that much. It can fit a ton of laundry. I wear a lot of sweatshirts, and I can put like 5, 6, 7 sweatshirts in like one side or one part of it in addition to all of our other clothes, and it's still not like be lopsided or overfill or break or anything like that. And of course you can just take the container itself and put it in the washer to get it so nice and fresh and clean, so that you're not putting your dirty laundry in something that's dirty. This black and white bedroom rug was trending a big time on the internet, and I had to get it. I had to get it. You guys convinced me, and it is so cute. So it just has cherubs on it. It's a cute little bath mat. I have it in our half bath. Please don't ask me what's going on with the half bath. I had an idea. It wasn't a good idea. And so we're just kind of stuck. And that happens in the design all the time, and that's totally okay. So it has cherubs on it. It's cute. It's so soft. The dog, I'll like walk around. I'm like walking around and I'll find him just sitting in the bathroom on this rug. It's so nice and soft. You can put it in your bathroom. It can be like your shower bath mat. I also like to have bath mats near the vanities in whatever room it is, just so that you're standing on something nice and plush when you're doing your skincare or you're putting on makeup or something like that. I have been so happy with and so impressed with this so far. You guys know I tend to only buy the Diatomaceous Earth bath mats, but I like this for the vanities so much. If you are a owner of the Beckham pillow, let me know down below what you think. The Beckham pillows have been on this channel time and time again, but I've been reading reviews recently, and I've heard from so many of you that they have changed manufacturers, so it's not giving what it used to give. So I decided to try a new pillow, and you guys, I am sold. So this is the new pillow. You get the set of 2 for around $36. I know, super affordable, right? Even more affordable, and I love them. So when I first got them, I was not impressed. It came super flat. Obviously they're vacuum sealed, and it took a day or 2 to inflate. I'm gonna be 100% honest, but what I like about these pillows is they are adjustable, so you can take the fluff in and out. You really just unzip it, you stick your hand in there, you take some of the cotton out, or you put it back in. It really is that simple. but I am obsessed with them. I have such a good night's sleep. I just came back from Baltimore and I literally took the pillow with me to Baltimore and used it there. That's how good it was. I travel with a pillow, and if I travel with a pillow, I must really like it, because I had to pack a whole other separate bag to be able to bring this pillow. It is so good. It has blown me away. I will say it is not as full as the Beckham pillow, so it doesn't look quite as good in the bedding arrangement. I'm gonna be honest with you, but in terms of like the sleeping quality, I've never slept on a pillow this good before, ever. The next Amazon home find that I think you're going to be obsessed with is actually right behind me. This is this flower shaped bowl. So I love this bowl. You can see behind me, I'm using it to hold matches because it's next to like my little match cloche, but I love this little thing. It was a fun creative co-op find. They're one of my favorite Amazon brands, and it is so cute. It's a cute little bowl. It's great for styling a nightstand, styling anywhere. It can be like a little trash bin. You can use it for matches. I actually put it on the nightstand originally so that if I'm having guests and they're taking off their jewelry, their watches or something, and they want somewhere to put it where it's actually sequestered, instead of putting it on a nightstand and then losing their jewelry for all of eternity, you have this sitting right beside you. I think it is so cute. It's super well made. And I love that it's like black in a new shape. I feel like sometimes they just make stuff black and they're like, it's black, that's novel, that's good enough. It's not good enough. We needed something exciting, something fresh, something new. And I love this little flower shaped bowl. I also discovered this super cool find. So if you don't have any overhead lighting, you're going to be obsessed with this. This is a pretty much tap light situation. So what you do is you get a lamp and you plug it into this cord. So it looks kind of like a smart plug. So you plug it into the smart plug and then you plug the smart plug into the wall, and then you actually put the switch up on the wall or whatever, and it turns any lamp you own into something that has a switch. So if you wanted an overhead light but you couldn't have an overhead light, this is a way to kind of like hack the system. Or if you wanted something that you didn't have to plug in, you can actually use a switch. This is a way to hack the system. I absolutely love this. I think this is great for people who want smart technology but don't actually want to use their phone all the time. This is a great way to make a lamp really, really easy to turn on. This is kind of like what you get at a hotel, but you can get it really affordably using this switch from Amazon. I also picked up this surge protector. So this isn't like a beautiful thing, but this has totally improved the game for me when it comes to home stuff. I hate when I have to like move my nightstands or my dressers so far out from the wall to plug in like my phone or my laptop or something like that. So I picked up this cube surge protector that's very, very flat. So you can actually plug in things to the sides, not just into the front. So it has both USB holes and just like normal outlet holes, so that you can plug everything in and you don't have to worry about bending the cord or harming the cord or having to move your furniture out way too much. That can be such a pain. And I really, really love this. This has improved the game for me because I cannot tell you the number of times I've actually broken a charger this way. Plus it's a little bit dangerous. I love to live on the edge, but not on the edge like that. So it is a no from me, dog, as Randy Jackson would say. But in terms of my new Amazon finds, that is about it when it comes to home stuff. I picked up a few things, not too much. I'm not gonna go overboard, but I am obsessed with these new home finds. If you have found something new on Amazon that you just think is out of this world, let me know down in the comments what it is, and put the link there too so I can go pick it up too and give it a try. If you liked today's video, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and check me out on Instagram. And until next time, have a beautiful day.